Installing a firmware and RoT security module. Lower the firmware and RoT security module onto the system board and ensure that the connector on the module is correctly inserted into the slot on the system board. Fasten the 2 screws to secure the firmware and RoT security module in place. Install the PCIe riser assembly. Install the top cover. Note: after installing the firmware and RoT security module, perform the following tasks. Update the UEFI, XCC, and LXPM firmware to the specific version supported by the server. Use OneCLI to restore the UEFI settings. Use OneCLI and XCC to restore the XCC settings. If there is a software key, for example an XCC FOD key, installed in the system, install the key again to ensure that the key functions properly.